Namaste everyone and welcome to Om Incense Show with DJ. Today, in the 5th day of the 7-day 7 cone series, let's make some pine resin cones. Pine resin is a tree resin which is either white or in yellow crystalline form. The oleo resin extract from saral tree is called Gandhabiroja in Hindi. The Latin name for this tree is Pinus longifolia. This resin holds a place of importance in Ayurveda. The element associated with it is air, and so it can be related to the Anahat chakra, just as the white Dhamma resin that we did yesterday. Its traditional associations are with healing, protection, and fertility. In Ayurveda, it is used to treat the diseases of lungs, heart, and skin, and also of the head, eyes, and voice. Like every other tree resin, this resin also comes out to help the tree when it gets hurt by someone or something. And so we can safely say that just like it heals the tree, it heals us also. It heals the wounds and infections in us. It helps at the level of the skin and also at the level of the heart. This tree resin forms a very important part in the Indian incense. It may be crushed and added to any aromatic incense to give a piney or woodsy scent. It may be burnt alone on charcoal as a spiritual incense. Pine resin as an incense specifically is said to cleanse the home. Dried pine needles may also be added to the resin when burnt on charcoal. It can also be used as a substitute for copal oro resin, and it is used in the rites of purification. It can be blended with camphor for burning. Pine resin is said to remove evil spirits. Pine has a very nice woodsy, citrusy and fresh scent. If you've ever been to the hills of Himachal or Uttaranchal, you know the smell of fresh pine. Because of its association with the air element, we can associate it with the Anahat chakra. Anahat chakra is the 4th chakra in our body, and the presiding deity of the chakra is Shiva and Shakti, consciousness and nature. It is the seat of unconditional love. Shiva and Shakti together teach us dedication and complete surrender to each other. This resin helps to heal us at the level of heart, and it has a cathartic effect on us. If you're feeling low or depressed, you might just want to use the pine resin as an incense on a charcoal or in an incense burner, and you can greatly benefit from it. Now as we make these pine cones, let's pay our salutations to Shiv and Shakti together. कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि।